If you own a couple of houses as investments and think you're pretty money savvy, here's what I'll tell you. Especially in recent years, you have had a fantastic run. But if you don't want to deal with maintaining multiple homes anymore, or your priorities are shifting right now, it may be a good time to sell. Here's why. The last few years have been record-breaking in a lot of ways, especially for inventory, home prices, and equity. For starters, the supply of homes for sale hit rock bottom. And when supply's that low, what happens to home prices? They go through the roof. That's why equity is way up too. And if you own rental properties in Portland, you now have a really big adventure in bringing renters in, and especially in removing them. If you think you're ready for a change, the last few years put you in a great spot to cash out so you can fund your next adventure. Whether you're looking to end the hassle of dealing with renters, start a new business, take the trip of a lifetime, give your retirement a boost, or just have more free time to spend with your loved ones, this could be your ticket to make it happen. Are you ready to think about your next steps? Talk to your financial advisor. Then let's chat about our local market, your goals, and I will give you a free copy of my book, The Ultimate Seller's Guide. Get in touch soon so my team can get started.